Now we are going to establish a relation between E, G, W and S. E, G, W and S. E is the symbol of void ratio. We know void ratio, which is symbolized in letter E, is V by Vs. Volume of void by volume of soil, because soil contains so many void and that void has a volume of Vv. We take it as Vv, and the volume of soil is taken as Vs. Next is G, specific gravity. So specific gravity G is taken as gamma S by gamma W, that is unit weight of soil by unit weight of water. Next symbol is of water contained. So water contained W is equal to weight of water by weight of soil. We can also write it as WW by WD. Weight of soil is symbolized as Ws or WD. The next symbol is S, which is the symbol for degree of saturation. Degree of saturation S is Vw by Vv, that is what is the volume of water out of total volume of void. This is known as degree of saturation. Now we are going to establish a relation between these four parameters E, G, W and S. So for that I am taking the formula of S first. So S is equal to Vw by Vv. Now to find out the formula of E in this equation, in this relation, I will just simply divide Vs above and below. So dividing Vw by Vs as well as dividing Vv by Vs, the formula will become EW by E, because we know Vv by Vs, as it has also written above, Vv by Vs is the formula of void ratio E. So I have written E in place of Vv by Vs. And if we are taking the ratio between volume of void to volume of soil, then it is E. But if that relation will be with volume of water void only with volume of soil, then that is known as water void ratio. If total volume of void will be taken, then it is void ratio. If volume of water void containing water will be taken, then it will be EW, water void ratio. So from this equation I can write EW is equal to E into S. This is my first equation. EW is equal to E into S. Now I will take the formula of W, water content. First I have taken the formula of S. Now in second step I am taking the formula of W. W has a formula of WW by WD or WS. So we know unit weight gamma is equal to W by V, or from this formula W weight is equal to gamma into V. If unit weight gamma is equal to W by V, then W weight is equal to gamma into V. So I am just following this relation, and I will change this formula like weight of water, because we know weight is equal to unit weight into volume. So here weight of water is equal to unit weight of water into volume of water. Like that, weight of soil can be written as unit weight of soil into volume of soil. Now we know this ratio is known as water void ratio. So gamma W by gamma S into VW by VS will be water void ratio EW. Again, we know. Now I will just change this formula. For that, I am taking G. G is specific gravity. Specific gravity is gamma S by gamma W. It has also been written above. Gamma S by gamma W is the formula of G, specific gravity. So that implies gamma W by gamma S will be 1 by G. If G is equal to gamma S by gamma W, then gamma W by gamma S will be 1 by G. So in the above equation, gamma W by gamma S will be written as 1 by G into EW. Just simplifying this equation, W is equal to EW by G, or because in previous step I have found the expression for EW, so in this step also I will just take EW to the left hand side and the remaining will be W into G in the right hand side. This is my equation 2. From equation 1 and equation 2, E into S. From equation 1, EW is equal to E into S will be equal to, from equation 2, that EW is also equal to W into G. So I have derived the relation between the required elements, that is E, S, W and G, which is E into S equal to W into G, and it is also expressed as E is equal to WG by S. This is my equation. So I have derived the required relation. Thank you.